Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua back with the video, and we're actually in Brookhaven. We're gonna actually go meet summer camp, the new update. It's also a trash update, but it's not Tuesday for this point. And there's this mail update. I really don't know how that works, but right now I really don't know where this campsite is at, cause this map. So I don't know what's over there, but I think it's over there. Or is it just going to the camp? Was it like, I don't know where the camp is at, because I know where the camp is at, the campsite. But I just don't know where the summer camp is at. Is that no, that's an abandoned house. We're gonna have to just keep on driving. I got my camp stuff ready anyway, so I think the campsite is on this side, because the solar panel is on this side. No camp here. Oh, I see something back there. I saw something behind the lake house. So this is the camp. What is that yellow? Is this the... So it's where the lake house is at. Excuse me, I don't want to get out of my car. Look, there's a camp thing here. It doesn't say anything, and it looks like the campsite. Oh, it is. We're here. Summer camp, and I got the t-shirt here. Summer camp, Brookhaven. So it's just some beds, a fireplace. Wow, just a lot of beds. This is table, bathroom, and a sketchy outside place so anybody could enter this place if there's like a killer thing happening here. Can you go inside of that? You could click. I feel like you go inside of these, because I've seen Santa Claus go in these in the game. Like, there's a Roblox character just comes down and he's Santa Claus. We have a candle, cameras, and we have, I think, yeah, there's no like place for that. Can we like glitch in that? We have a slide. Oh, this is where we use our fishing things, right? Wait, you could actually go on this? Oh, you can. Oh my gosh, nice. Oh, I saw a fishing right here, yeah. I hope that's a fishing rod. Okay, that's going inside my boat. I'm gonna have to sit in the front, even though it doesn't even work. Come here, fishy fishies. I'm not gonna catch any fish here anyway. Wait, what is that? Is that like the light or something? A house block? Oh, it's just the water. I'm never gonna catch any fish because there's nothing in here. So that was lame and boring. I should have never done that. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua. This is the end of the video. If you want, subscribe, watch more videos. We catch you later.